Looking for a powerful tool that helps you display your data in style, whether you're looking to customize column charts to match your site's design, update data points easily, or seamlessly integrate dynamic charts into your site, this app has got you covered. Head to the Wix App Market and click Add to Site. Also, this is how to add the app through the Wix Studio Editor. Head to the Add Apps menu and search for the Column Chart app. Then click Add to Site. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. After clicking on the chart settings, here is how to change the columns data. You can change the number of columns, then you can select which one to edit and change their color. Keep in mind that you're changing the data point values. The percentage will be calculated based on these values. Additionally, here is how you can choose between multiple column chart types. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.